another clickbait thumbnail. I've been trying to figure out how to get to the back roads since I got in my van. And I've tried looking it up online, and they have stuff for like Ontario, but I can't find any instructions for BC. So maybe I'm just an idiot that doesn't know how to use the internet, or maybe there's not that much information. Maybe it's just really obvious to some people, but all I see is like people's driveways and stuff. So I saw Chrome and I just so like I wonder where he's going, and I turned down this road, and I think this is how you get to the back roads. I looked on the map and I'm like, oh no way, I think this is it. This is a very, very, very long street. I don't know where I am. I think I'm lost, and I hope the GPS still gets a signal here, because where am I? This road did come to an end. This is just a bunch of driveways. I'm gonna turn around now, and I have absolutely no idea. I don't know what I'm doing. Obviously. I don't. Wait, what's this? What is this? Is this a back road or someone's driveway? You see there's garbage cans on both sides? To me, that's an indication that that's a driveway. Oh, and there's a number, so this is obviously somebody's driveway. I don't really feel good about continuing down this road. I feel like I should just go back the way I came and go down that first road that I thought was a dirt road that led to the back roads. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm starting to get anxiety. Beautiful though with the rain. I don't think it really translates on the camera because the camera is focusing on the window. But it's pretty. Wait, what the hell is this? What is this? Is this a... Oh, it's a freaking driveway. Okay, here's where the people were having the fire, which is awesome. I'm super jealous. Oh, that's so cool. See that? Is that not a back road? Wait a minute. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, I just turned around because I just could not turn on that road at that angle. So, we're going by again and we're going to take a look here. Is this it? This? But there's garbage thingies there. This can't be a road. This is someone's home. How does one get to the back roads? So I failed at finding the back roads. I still have absolutely no idea how to get to these backcountry magical camping spots. Did it. Just kidding. We're actually just at the shore in Nanaimo. Which, by the way, is still pretty badass, let me just tell ya. It's beautiful here, but it's not what we were looking for. However, there is an update. Since filming the first part of this video, a lot has changed. The first thing that happened pretty soon after the day of me driving around looking for the back roads was that a subscriber of mine / new friend showed me that she actually had a pile of maps that lead to the back roads around here. So I got to take some pictures of those and was at that point equipped to go out and search again for the backcountry. However, and there's more to this, but however, at that point, basically right after I did this big drive, I really recognized that my van was not equipped to go into the backcountry yet, meaning that I have a problem with one of the tires, one of the wheels, not the tire, that needs to be fixed. It's a problem that I've had since I was in Winnipeg the first time, that they warned me about, but I couldn't afford to fix it, and I just had to make it across the mountains in time. So I just went, I got here, and since then I've kind of been avoiding driving too much, except for that one day that I drove around the entire island. But after that, it got worse, obviously. So when I first got here, it wasn't really an issue, it was a potential issue, and then after driving around the island on the wheel the way it is, it became a real issue. So now when I drive, I can hear a noise, and it feels like it's vibrating, and it just feels like it's progressively getting worse to the point where I avoid driving basically anywhere on the wheel the way it is right now. I stay in one little area of Nanaimo, just basically stuck there until I can fix the van. The reason I haven't fixed the van yet is because I am anticipating that it will be very expensive to fix, and I do not yet have the funds. So I am waiting to basically get my stuff together and then fix the van so that I can go to the backcountry and do something fun, basically. So the next thing that happened after I met up with a subscriber and she gave me the maps was I was editing one of the videos, the video where I drove up to Campbell River, and I realized that I had most likely found one of the back roads that I was driving on, like a logging road or something. And it's where I see this giant hill, and I'm like, I'm not going to continue any further down this road because I know that my van may not come back out, and I didn't want to get stuck, so I just turned around. But when I was editing it, I'm like, oh my god, that's where I'm supposed to be, I think. Anyways, we would obviously have to explore that a little further, but I think I have an idea now of what I'm supposed to be looking for. So that's two things that I need to explore. More recently, TidelineToAlpine posted a video, which I'm going to actually link it in the description, because it's like she answered my question without me asking her what the question was. But she made a video explaining how she finds the backcountry in great detail, so that I am now equipped with that information as well. A few days after that, Chrome uploaded a video explaining how he navigates the backcountry. So I don't know what's going on, but one thing after another, people are finally answering this question. So that's great. Then right after that, so I watched those videos, I downloaded the apps that were suggested. So now I have the pictures of the maps, the apps, an idea of where an actual road is. Then I started talking to these other people, and they're like, we'll take you. So I made new friends who will actually literally take me to the back roads and the backcountry around here, to some cool camping spots that they know of because they're from here. And then after that, like a day or two after that, which was I think yesterday, a couple just came up to the van and started talking to me and started telling me again about another place on the island where I can find more cool backcountry camping spots. So I have this huge list now of ways that I can find all these magical campgrounds on the island and as well as off the island when I leave it. So that is the plan. We're going to be fixing the van And then when we fix the van, we're gonna go find some cool camp spots and do the thing that was the whole purpose for all of this trouble, is to go out into the wilderness and heal, or at least have a really cool campfire. Yeah.